I'm Felisa Ford.
And I am Natasha Rachel, and together we are committed to a world where all team members win. Felisa, why don't you show our friends how to use live captions in a Teams meeting and Immersive Reader in Teams to personalize their experience?
Sure thing. Let's get started.
Microsoft Teams sets all team members up to succeed. Live captions translate an immersive reader that are built right into the Microsoft Teams platform, makes Teams meetings inclusive, accessible, and easier for all to use. So let's get started to see how this works. First, I navigate to teams.microsoft.com. I select the team that I need. The Immersive Reader feature is built right into Teams. To activate it, I just hover over the announcement. I select the three dots, which are more options, and I drop down to the Immersive Reader. This gives students access the way they need it. Next, let's look at Translate in Microsoft Teams. To get to Translate, I need to select my profile picture, select Settings, and select Language. And now I save and restart the team. So now if I'm a student and English is not my primary language, I can hover over the announcement and select the three dots for more options. I drop down to Translate. Announcement or a message from my teacher is translated for me in the language that I selected. If I hover again and select Translate, it translates back to the original message. Now let's take a look at live captions in Teams meetings. Whether I'm meeting with parents, students, or teachers, the live captions feature in Microsoft Teams makes these meetings inclusive for all participants. As I enter my meeting, I select the three dots for more actions. I scroll down to turn on live captions. As I begin to speak, we notice it is captioning what I am saying. This is a great feature, especially for a person who may be deaf or someone hard of hearing, or even a person who is just learning the language. This provides additional support and makes these meetings inclusive and more accessible. The person speaking, their name is now attributed to the captions. For our students, this is an additional layer of support. It also addresses the multi-sensory and multimodality that is needed for a variety of learning abilities. Once I'm finished with the meeting, or if I no longer need these supports, I simply navigate to the top toolbar, select the three dots, and I turn off live captions.
Let's all commit to a world where learning is accessible.